Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah semuanya udah pada sehat ya. Sudah pada on semua. Minal aizin wal faizin ya, guys.
Minal aizin wal faizin.
Ya minal aizin wal faizin.
Mudah-mudahan dosa-dosa kita semua terhapuskan, pahala-pahala kita dilipat gandakan. Amin.
Amin.
Oh ya, ini kita hanya tersisa waktu hanya 3 minggu lagi ya. 11. Bentar ya. Saya cari buku. Ya, kita pertemuan hanya sekitar sampai tanggal sebentar. Bentar ya. Oke, kita perkuliahan hanya sampai tanggal 27 Mei, guys. Dan tanggal 30 Mei sampai 6 Juni itu kita UAS. Nggak kerasa ya udah UAS lagi semester 2. Waduh, naik tingkat nih. Jadi kita hanya punya sekitar 3 kali sama hari ini pertemuannya. Dan nilai praktek baru ada 2. Jadi I really need nilai praktek lagi ya. Jadi hari ini makanya saya sudah sampaikan kepada Widya bahwa hari ini pembiasaan sambil dinilai how you share the stories about your last holiday or last Lebaran's Day ya, dinilai. Jadi kita hanya punya 3 lagi hari ini. Minggu depan kita presentasi juga untuk tanggal 27 jadi presentasi. Saya ini ya, karena kita menjelang Jumatan, saya iniin dulu paparkan dulu untuk ujiannya. Untuk minggu depan. Sorry. Bentar. Saya kirimin ke di sini aja bentar ya. Nah. Ya. Kelihatan di layar kalian ya?
Ya, Miss, kelihatan, Miss.
Oke. Ini tugasnya tuh gampang banget ya tugasnya. Jadi pertama kalian harus cari jurnal ya, seperti ini misalnya contohnya nih, online jurnal. Ya, ini adalah blog atau blog ya. Ini sorry. Ini nih translasi. Nah ini. Jadi this is like a journal for English literature ya. Contoh dari jurnal ini, kalian pertama cari jurnal online seperti ini ya. Nah tuh, ini banyak banget jurnalnya. Ini yang pertama. Cari menurut kalian menarik aja, pokoknya jurnal apapun, sekitar 500 sampai 1000 kata. Ini mungkin lebih ya. Nah, ini ada dari jurnal itu ada ada statistiknya, ada gambar-gambarnya boleh. Setelah itu kamu baca, udah dibaca, tugasnya adalah bentar, ini satu lagi nih. Nah, ini nih, ini di best article. Nah, artikel online ya. 100 interesting article to read. Nah, ini boleh nanti saya kirimin ke Widya ya, Widya. Ininya.
Iya, Miss.
Ini Oh, di sini tuh yang ini tuh ada health and vitality, thought and emotion, family and friends, love and partnership, grow and learning, productivity and performance, business and career, and wealth and lifestyle. Nah ini beberapa yang bisa kamu explore. Boleh kamu sukanya, misalnya kamu sukanya wealth and lifestyle misalnya ya, kamu boleh pilih di sini. Apa boleh punya misalnya jurnal sendiri yang kamu suka gitu, blog sendiri boleh ya, tapi nanti ini aja di bahasa Indonesia nih, dari bahasa Indonesia nih kamu ke bahasa Inggrisin dulu. Nah, udah kamu lihat jurnal itu, tugasnya setelah dibaca, waktunya kamu skimming, scanning, resuming, sama apa namanya teh, making a PPT. Ya, tuh jadi tugasnya kamu bikin PPT dari jurnal itu, ya. Yang PPT-nya tuh nggak boleh, yang ditampilkan nggak boleh yang kamu baca pokoknya. PPT itu hanya poin-poin penting dan nanti akan kamu live presentasikan minggu depan selama 3 menit. Gitu ya? Bisa dapat dipahami nggak?
Bisa,
Halo?
Miss.
Bisa ya? Jadi bikin PPT.
Apa sih kesini?
Tugas bikin PPT dari jurnal, yang di PPT apa?
Iya Miss, tadi nyatet yang Miss takut lupa. Malah
Nggak apa-apa,
kekirim.
ya betul. Jadi yang di PPT, bikin PPT-nya itu yang dari jurnal. Boleh ditambahin gambar, boleh ditambahin GIF, misalnya Canva gitu ya. Kamu bikinnya di Canva atau di PPT boleh, terserah kamu lah pokoknya ya. Yang pasti semenarik mungkin. Jadi nanti kamu presentasi pun semenarik mungkin ya. Oke?
Oke, Miss.
Oke, itu tugas untuk minggu depan. Nah, tugas minggu ini adalah how you telling a story about your last holiday or last Lebaran stay. Karena kita berlari dengan waktu, kita cowok dulu ya. Dan ini betul ada yang belum presentasi tentang book summary ya. Nanti setelah cowok, nanti ini kan kebanyakan cewek ya, kecuali Aprilian nih, nanti ya gampang. Aprilian yang pertama juga. Nanti setelah cowok baru kita book summary dulu ya. Udah book summary baru ke cewek. Oke? Nggak apa-apa ya, biar cowok lebih rineh gitu, buat leluasa gitu, buat siap-siap Jumatannya ya. Oke?
Miss.
Oke, baiklah kalau begitu let's start from boys. Ada yang mau volunteer? Axel, do you wanna the first one?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, do you want to prepare your Jumatan?
No. The prepare is really fast for Jumatan, Miss. But I want the first.
Oh, you want the first? You want to have some stories about Lebaran?
Yes, Miss. I have an experience about Eid Mubarak.
Okay, that's really nice. Okay, you can go first, Axel. Please, the microphone is
Okay.
yours. The time is 3 minutes, yeah?
Okay, Miss.
Please.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
The first one, let me introduce myself. My name is Axel Aga Surya, and so today I will tell you about my Eid Mubarak experience. A few weeks back was a Ramadan, and I was so excited. As usually, I woke up early to get myself ready to Eid prayer that will be started at 7 a.m. I did dawn prayer, took a bath, and had a bit breakfast before went to the mosque. I went back to home at 9 o'clock. After the 8th prayer at home, my big family always does a Japanese tradition that called sungkeman to honor the elders. The youngest member of my family kneel down and press their face to the elder knee one by one. After that procession has ended, we usually took some picture together to preserve this moment and to fill our memory albums. And after we had take enough picture, then we had a bunch of a great feast for all family members. There were cakes, cookies, rendang, opor, and sambal goreng kentang. My favorite was the rendang and mix it with all the condiments, with opor and also sambal goreng kentang, which was made by my aunt and my mom. The rendang was very delicious and I love it so much. When our energy had been refilled, we continued to visit our neighbors or close friends. This 8th celebration day was so exciting for me because there were many happy things I did together with all my family, and I hope I can celebrate the next Mubarak celebration with my big family again. Thank you for attention and see you in another experience.
Udah?
Udah, Miss.
Oh, is there some question about Excel? Where is your girlfriend? Kayak gitu-gitu nggak?
Where is your girlfriend? Gak ada sih, soalnya keburu ketahuan.
Oh, aku tahu udah ada. Oke, thank you Excel.
Yes, Miss.
Next Excel boleh pilih satu cowok Sal.
Muhammad Riko Pribalwan
Oh
Wibisono.
Riko, hi Ko, are you
Yes.
there?
Yeah,
Hi Ko,
I'm here, Miss.
how are you
Before,
Ko?
minal aizin wal faizin, Miss.
Sama-sama
Ya,
Ko.
mohon maaf ya, Miss, kalau aku banyak salah. Pasti
Aduh,
banyak sih.
sama-sama lah. Ya. So how are you Ko?
Not bad lah, tapi sedikit bad.
Hmm,
Ya, karena padat sih, Miss. Because
Apa
so a lot text.
welcome to the reality of life in campus.
Ya. Oke, Miss. Maybe aku mulai aja, Miss ya.
Okay, please.
Okay, maybe first, hello everyone, hello my friend, and hello Miss. Good morning. My name is Muhammad Riko Priboni Bisono. Right now, I will tell or report, report the story about my 8th. Yeah. So on the day of 8th, my experience was not sleeping for 2 days. That's bad, yeah. And then I was in a hurry to go to Sumedang for halal bihalal with my family. But beside that, I had to keep doing my himpunan duties, attacks in Muro or ilmu rohani. Muro itu singkatan ilmu rohani. On that day, the day before 8 on night, yeah, my eyes feel very heavy, yeah, and it was very difficult for me to get ideas for 8 posts from Muro Instagram because in Muro itu have a plan to posting something about 8 day gitu. Worse yet, at the time, only me and a few people were doing that task. I have no idea with others, just lost without information. So others member of Muro is lost, just I don't know where they are gitu, kemana mereka, tapi intinya mereka hilang gitu waktu itu. Then I asked someone in himpunan to help me make the post on Canva, but instead I got bad things there. I was scolded and the chat was very long text by the person cursing at me. Dia marah, ngechat panjang at me. By the way, this text is a duty, kewajiban of everyone at Muro, but why just me gitu untuk mengerjakan ini gitu, Miss. Yeah, I don't want it either, but I still carry it out and take responsibility lah. Jadi intinya gimana pun aku kerjain gitu. I felt that night was very bad. I didn't feel peace and well-being. True, padahal previously I had planned to grill beef, drink cola, and watch movies with my family. And then my plan on 4 May, I want to hang out with my girlfriend, but snap back to the reality, like Miss saying tadi. On 4 May, I still have to do my muro tax earlier with no one helping expect my girlfriend. Jadi my girlfriend bukan di Muro, bukan di Murahani, but dia malah yang nolong untuk membantu semua postingannya, Miss. Sampai berpuluh-puluh postingan tuh Mas. Ya, that's why itu aneh banget loh. Akhirnya finally on 8th day I didn't have feeling of peace, just a chaos day. Just that. Thank you.
Okay. Tapi how is today? How is today? Is
Today
everything okay?
Still chaos, Miss. Because setelah gimana ya? Setelah after UAS itu ada rencana UP.
Itu apa?
Uji publik semacam
UP.
apa ya? Nanti Taufik Malik bakal ceritakan mungkin.
Okay. So I mean this is the real life of you a student. Bukan student kamu ya, kamu mahasiswa lah. Dimana I really do appreciate what you do. It's better than you're doing nothing. I mean, semua mahasiswa pasti sibuk. Semua anak muda pasti sibuk. Ya, you have a lot of energy, of course. Betul nggak?
Yes, Miss.
Semua mahasiswa pasti sibuk. Entahlah ada yang sibuk main, entahlah ada yang sibuk kuliah, entahlah ada yang sibuk organisasi. But I really do appreciate of who you are, who busy with organization, with the study, better than main-main aja. Karena saya dulu termasuk yang main-main. Jadi lebih baik mendingan belajar atau nggak berorganisasi. It's much better. Okay? Yeah. Semangat ya Riko ya. Semuanya juga yang di sini ikutan organisasi, ikutan bisa bermanfaat kan buat orang lain nggak? Begitu nggak?
Yes, Miss. But maybe have to balance, Miss, kayaknya. Kalau terlalu organisasi capek juga.
Semangat pokoknya ya.
Yes,
Oke.
Thank you very much.
Thank you Riko. Riko mau pilih siapa Riko?
Maybe Taufik ya langsung.
Oh, ke Taufik langsung. Jadi ada penjelasnya dari Taufik sekarang langsung. Oke. Taufik, the microphone is yours.
Okay, Miss. Actually, before Riko talk about UP, I'm not. I have not planned tell you about uji publik.
What is uji publik?
Oh, that's secret maybe.
Oh, your secret, okay.
Uji publik it's like calon ketua angkatan berorasi di depan angkatannya mungkin gitu, Miss.
Okay.
I want to tell you about a week before Idul Fitri. I went Cirebon, then I met some friends, old friends when I was in junior high school, and then we went to band studio band, and we play music like we always do before.
Oh, anak band.
And it's so nostalgic for me, Miss.
Okay.
Yeah, and the next day I went to Kuningan to pick up my sisters, my little sister. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna explain to you why my sister in Kuningan because it's a little bit complicated.
Okay, it's okay. And
then so yeah, I and my little sister going to Bandung again. And when Idul Fitri, I think nothing interesting.
Nothing interesting to you?
It's like
it's the same. It's the same.
The same day for me because all of my family just in Ciwaruga.
Jadi, okay.
Yeah, so every day we meet, and after salat, after we eat ketupat, then saling maaf-maafan, and I'm just like, and then what? And what?
What did you do in the Lebaran's Day then?
Yeah, so then I chat my friends, and I asked him to go out, and then we go out to Circle K, and suddenly one of my friends asked me to went to studio band again, and we
Play
play
again.
music playing again.
Okay.
Okay, that's it, Miss.
Oke. Alhamdulillah ya bisa liburan setitik lah ya dari tugas-tugas. Betul Taufik?
Yes, Miss.
Oke, Taufik, that's nice. Next Taufik, boleh ada lagi yang disampaikan Taufik?
I think that's it. And next, Ardika maybe, Miss.
Okay, Ardika, you ready Ardika?
Yes, Miss, I'm here.
Hi Ardika, how are you?
I'm good. How about you, Miss?
I'm doing well, Ardika. So Ardika, the microphone is yours, Ardika, please.
Okay, thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Ardika. At this moment, I want to tell you guys about my holiday experience. Before Eid al-Fitr, I spend most of my time only at home. I'm not doing mudik things because my mom family is West Bandung native, and many of my family live in West Bandung. Actually, I wasn't going anywhere far from home for Eid al-Fitr. It's kind of like 2 days of Eid. Am I feel alone because not doing anywhere? No, because my parent family was visiting my home from the first day of Eid. It was heavy for me because I can talk a lot with my parents' family, like my uncle, my auntie, either my niece and nephew. Oh yeah, I have 4 siblings, and then at the first day, my brother and sister was coming to my home to visit their mom, who actually is my mom too.
Yeah, of course.
All of them are married, and yeah, they coming with my niece and nephew. We apologize each other at the first, and then there was a lot of food, and we were eating, talk each other. My favorite food is rendang because my mom cooks so well, so I love the rendang. And then we're going to visiting my father who already passed away. We just praying and then back to home. Then when we arrived at home, there was many people waiting for us. Actually, they are my mom family. I was so excited to see many people at my home, probably more than 40 people at the same time. I felt so happy because it was the momentum coming back to talk with many people. Because last year at Eid al-Fitr, we decided not to open our home due to COVID and some other stuff. Yeah, there was a lot of happiness moment, was great. I've got a lot of I got a lot of advice from anyone, talking, eating, and smile each other. At the second day, my uncle and his wife from Jakarta coming to my home. He is my favorite uncle from my parent family because very supportive, giving me a lot of advice. I like the way he talk. And then my brother father-in-law from Tasikmalaya was coming too. And then yeah, we do the same thing with the first day, apologize each other, talk and eating together. At the night, I challenged my uncle to battle ping pong with me. That was fun things to do. I'm not serious at all, just logging all the game. And then yeah, you already know how the score's going to. After that, my days was going like unusual day, playing games and hanging out with my friend. But I think I do a lot of game, Valorant actually, with Rashid Richong and friend from this class. And then someday I want to go to the Pati Ukur for looking some food. I called my friend to join with me, and then I've got 3 friends. When we are on the way, I told him already that we're going to the Patio Ukur, but my friend said he want to go to Lembang, and then I just passed the Lembang, then decided to go to Subang. While we only looking for food, I didn't expect I am going so far away. But there was funny and happy things to do. I think that is all from me. Thank you so much.
How's Lembang? Are you done with the traffic?
No, I'm not. I'm not see the traffic jam. I'm not see the macet, nggak ada, Miss, nggak nemu macet. I'm going to Subang so well, drive so fast.
Because I heard Lembang also had a heavy traffic jam. Okay, thank you Ardika.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Next Ardika, boleh pilih satu.
Muhammad Fauzan.
Jan, are you there, Jan?
Yes, Miss, I'm here.
Hi, Fauzan. How are you?
Hi. I'm doing well. How about you, Miss?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking, Fauzan. So, Fauzan, are you ready to share your stories now?
Yes, of course.
Okay, the mic is yours.
Okay. For the first, I wanna introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fauzan, and I wanna share my story during holiday. So for this holiday, I think it's a little bit boring because my family and I can go anywhere for some reasons. But even though like that, we talk with my own family from my mother's family with video call because our distance is so long, so they can come to our house. And we also can come to their house too. But in the next day, my aunt family from my father's family come to our house because we live in the same city. So in that day, we eat together and talk about many things. But after that, I really don't know what to do. So I just edited some video and posted in an application. So which is the app is actually a game where you can have an avatar and post some video or picture in there. So after post that video, suddenly my video blow up and enter everyone's VIP and got many likes. And see my post get many likes and comments, it gives me goosebumps because
Wow.
actually I'm a person who rarely post something on social media, and see my post get many likes is really something for me. But after 1 week later happens, I found a post similar from mine, and everything from that video is really similar from my video, and it makes me a little bit annoyed. It makes me like, oh, you got caught, Mister. But the thing that makes me more annoyed is his posts get more likes than mine. So from that, I feel like it's okay. I will beat you one day. So I think it's from my story. It's a little bit boring. Sorry.
Okay, Fauzan. Don't you go to the theater to do something else, to somewhere else maybe?
No, because for some reasons I can go anywhere.
Okay.
So it's really boring. A little bit boring.
Okay. Whatever it is, keep healthy, keep smiling, and do activity as you wish ya, Fauzan ya, at home. Ya,
You too,
Fauzan,
Miss.
boleh? Siapa lagi?
Maybe I will choose
Cowok.
Rashid.
Hi, Rashid. Are you there?
Yeah, hello, Miss.
Rashid,
Yeah,
how are you?
I'm doing well, Miss. How about you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking, Rashid. So, are you ready to start?
I'm ready, but I think I don't have any interesting experience to share with you guys.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe I was frozen. I don't go anywhere. I just met my cousin from Bandung, and yeah, just like that.
Nothing. Where do you go with your friends? What are you doing with your friends? Something like that. Tell us a
Okay.
story.
I think just tell you about my keseharian aja, Miss. Like
Boleh.
playing games with Rico and Fauzi, Miss. Sometimes I am a competitive person, so I cannot play just joking and some stuff. So I'm very competitive about that. So, maybe I don't know.
What?
Yeah, maybe sometimes I get angered about about the games, like how Rico plays like a trash. I don't know, Miss. Like, I, I, j- I get angered about that, and but at the end, I just felt sorry about it, and we play again. I don't know.
Wow, what I
I don't know
told
to
you.
say.
What I told you, Rashid, please prepare us some.
I do prepare, but I don't know what should I
You
tell.
don't know what to tell. I mean,
Yes. Okay.
your how Phasmophobia. What about Phasmophobia?
Oh yeah. That's a game. That's a horror game. Can play a multiplayer with friends. And Rico always wanted to play Phasmophobia because
What is that kind of games?
what, Miss?
What kind of game of Phasmophobia?
It's a horror game, Miss.
What is
we
it?
play together to find the evidence and try to guess what ghost type is it. Like, is it hantu or jurik? I don't know, Miss. Maybe some
Are you
kind of
playing
that.
with the card?
Sorry, Miss.
Playingnya sama card atau apa? Sama kartu?
No.
No.
It's a game. It's a game. So basically we play like first person perspective. And we go and we went to a house, and we should find where the ghost room is. Where the ghost room is. So what's the evidence, like fingerprints, like footprints? It's a interesting horror game. I think there's no jump scare, but it's like a thriller. Like when ghosts hunt you down, like so basically the ghosts find where you are because you too much interacting with the ghosts. It's like if I stay that long, like my sanity goes down. Like, oh my god, I feel not comfy. Like, what's what behind the door? I don't know. Like, who's watching me at the room?
Ih, kok menyeramkan ya? Is it the real game? I mean,
yes, it's a real game. It's in Steam. It's a paid game, but we can play hack mode of it, but we can stay play together like that.
Oh, jadi kamu mah nggak nonton KKN ya, langsung live ya?
Ya,
Film
we do.
horornya ya.
Ya, langsung, Miss.
Langsung live ya.
Ya.
Okay.
So experience about my 2 weeks holiday, just playing games, and maybe I'm going to my grandmother's house where we talk each other. We eat together, eat opor together, and yeah, it's like that, Miss. Like everybody else do.
Yeah, of course. Okay, thank you Rasi for your the story. Next,
Yeah,
ada lagi?
Miss. You're welcome. I think
Siapa
it's
lagi?
enough, Miss.
Cowok,
Okay,
tolong.
maybe I choose Fauzi, Miss.
Hi Fauzi.
Hello, Miss.
How are you, Fauzi?
I'm good, Miss. How about you, Miss?
I'm doing well, Fauzi. Are you ready to share your stories?
Ya, ready, Miss. Tapi ya.
Please, the microphone is yours.
Okay, last week's holiday, I didn't go anywhere, Miss. Actually, ya, I'm not going anywhere for Idul Fitri. Ya, I come to every family, ya, berkeliling lah. Ya, next, actually, oh ya, I don't pray it because ya, I wake up late. saya ke sholat Idul Fitri, Miss. Yeah, because I sleep at 2 o'clock last night. I'm really not going anywhere. I just stay at home. I just watching YouTube, playing games, scrolling TikTok.
Playing TikTok? Are you?
No. Scrolling.
Oh, kirain playing TikTok.
Maybe I meet my friend. I'm watching movie Kakanda Desa Penari, Miss. With my friends. I don't think the film is too scary, Miss. Terlalu serem-serem banget sih kalau menurut
Because
aku.
you're playing Phasmophobia.
Ya.
Jadi nggak rame gitu kan? Karena kamu udah main the real-nya. Terus.
It's not like the Twitter thread, Miss. Nggak seserem di Twitternya gitu, Twitter thread-nya gitu. Maybe this is just opinion gitu ya. Even though there are some jump scare. What's more I'm really not going kemana I spend time and dating with my girlfriend, and that's also not going anywhere. I mean just hang out, Miss. Hangout biasa ketemu gitu. We are long distance relationship. In major primacy. We are the same from Garut juga gitu. But if she studies it pas udah segitu aja, Miss. Udah gak ada lagi, Miss.
Okay, Fauzi, thank you so much for your interesting stories. Next, Fauzi boleh please?
Muhammad Ilyas.
Ilyas, okay. Ilyas, are you
Hello,
there?
Miss.
Are you, Ilyas?
Yes. Hello.
How are you, Ilyas?
I'm fine. How are you, Miss?
I'm doing well. So, Ilyas, are you ready to share the stories?
Okay, ready. During the Idul Fitri holidays, I spent most of my vacation in Bandung, and then after the plus 3, I went to Garut. During it, I got through moments that other people experience in general, such as Eid prayers, apologizing, and of course eating ketupat. When I went to Garut, I thought that I would be stuck in traffic, so I decided to take an alternative route, namely Jalan Cijapati. And alhamdulillah, it turned out that there was no traffic jam there. Only traffic jams in Ciparai, and that was because of the market. Arriving in Garut, my family and I do ziarah, and then met the family there. The thing I want the most when I go to my aunt's house is to immediately taste her cake, because the cake is very delicious. I only had 2 days in Garut, then I had to go back to Bandung immediately because something forced me to go to there immediately. Although actually I still want to linger in Garut. At the time I was planning my departure, I had trouble booking train tickets, which was not as usual. Initially, I won a departure schedule at noon, but all tickets were sold out except for the ticket at 5:22, so I couldn't help but have to buy the ticket immediately. Maybe it's enough for me, Miss.
Okay, Ilyas. How's Garut, Ilyas? Macet?
No, I use alternative way.
Oh, you already know. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Next siapa?
Yes, Miss.
Ilyas, boleh pilih?
Siapa yang belum?
Banyak.
Oke, Revaldi aja.
Revaldi. Rashid belum ya? Halo?
Rashid down, Miss, tadi.
Oh iya.
Shit, udah Miss tadi.
Revaldi yang belum ya? Oh iya, Revaldi. Revaldi yang belum ya? Revaldi, are you there? Revaldi nggak ada dulu.
Kautsar maybe, Miss.
Kautsar ya? Kautsar. Kautsar. Udah Kautsar?
Yes, Miss.
Eko deh. Udah Kautsar Aprilian ya? Kautsar dulu deh, Kautsar. Halo?
Yes, Miss.
Oke, Kautsar. Hi, how are you, Kautsar?
Halo,
Halo,
apakah suara saya terdengar?
Kautsar?
Ya, Miss.
How are you, Kautsar?
I'm good, Miss.
Okay, Kautsar, would you please to start it now?
Okay.
Please.
Hello, everyone. I want to tell you about my holidays and my Eid. My Eid day is the same as most people's Eid, having Eid prayer, halal bihalal with neighbors, gathering with family, and then sungkeman. But there was an incident where this really bothered me. There was an incident on the day of Eid when my stomach hurt because I was not used to my eating time. Previously, during Ramadan, I was fasting, but didn't eat from dawn to Maghrib. But during Eid, I eat all day. As a result, my stomach feels bloated and upset. So during Idul Fitri, I was a little disturbed by my condition of my stomach, which I eat a lot, starting from rendang, opor, ketupat, and kue-kue that are usually available on Lebaran. I put all that in my stomach, so maybe that's why my stomach had a problem. But besides that, I was very happy with Idul Fitri. I met many cousins, brothers, aunties, uncle that only meet once a year gitu. And on the day of Lebaran, I'm so happy that I got uang THR gitu.
That's the best part ya, Kautsar ya. Best part. Okay.
I hope every day is Idul Fitri. That's enough for me, Miss. Maybe.
Okay, finish. Thank you, Kautsar. Aprilian ada nggak?
Hadir, Bu.
Hi, Aprilian, how are you?
Alhamdulillah baik, Miss. How about you?
I'm doing well. So, are you ready to to share the stories?
Yes, Miss, I am ready to
Okay,
read the
please.
stories about Lebaran in my homeland.
Oke, homeland. Oh, gaya banget. Emang kemana kamu homelandnya?
Bukan homeland sih, hometown ya, Tang Miss.
Di mana? Where is it?
Di Lampung.
Oh, Lampung.
Iya.
Oh, okay. But you've got a Sundanese accent. I thought you come from West Java. So how is Lampung? Okay, please.
The hometown is my father hometown, Miss. I
Ah.
actually born in here, around here in West
Oh,
Java.
ya udah berarti kamu mau orang Bandung ya.
Ya, Miss.
Okay.
When I go to Lampung, it's always fun to go back to there, especially in Idul Fitri. I can meet my family, which I miss so much, and I was happy knowing that I will be going there again after several years doing Lebaran just around the house because of COVID pandemic. I miss two things when it comes to Lebaran, Idul Fitri. The first is Lebaran with my big family, and the second is Mudik, which I also miss a lot. I go to Lampung. I always go to Lampung, and me and my core family always go there by bus and ship via Sunda Strait. We always go there at night because in the night we will be able to eat snacks on the trip and fast in the next day. So we don't need to do kodo or do andan fast outside Ramadan. We usually arrive at Merak Port roughly 4 hours from Lewi Panjang Terminal bus station, but this time it took about 6 hours to go there. I don't know why, but the bus drivers sometimes stop randomly for quite long period of time. So we arrived at Merak Port about 4:15 a.m. the next day. We intend to sahur at there, but it took time to go to the canteen from the gate. And when we are about to eating, suddenly the subuh adan was delivered. So we decided not to fast that day. It was disappointing, but the disappointment was gone when we arrived at the house. We were finally able to do Lebaran with our family that we really missed. When Idul Fitri comes, we went to the Eid prayer together, and after that, we apologizing to each other for the mistakes that we had done in the past. Not only the family member inside the house, we were roaming the village to ask for forgiveness relatives. The relatives in Lampung are from my father's side, and he has so many relatives that I couldn't even remember their name. And we ended up doing this for 3 days straight. This was burning out, but also a fun experience to have. Miss, thank you.
Okay, Aprilian. Thank you, Aprilian. Aprilian, yang summary book-nya belum, nanti udah ini cowok selesai summary book ya.
Oh iya, Miss.
Ini Fauzi udah. Imam, hai Imam. Imam belum ya? Imam, how are you, Mom?
I'm doing well.
Okay, Imam, are you ready to share your stories at Cirebon, Imam?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, Imam, the mic is yours.
So the main thing is it's not about the Lebaran itself, but it's actually about a book that I had during the holiday. So
what happened?
I had a book bar with my regional organization, and at that time I went from my house at 4 p.m. because my house is 1 hour from the city. So then I pick up 2 of my friends. Then we went to the restaurant together with my car, and then suddenly it was raining, and I must say it's actually the rain was pouring, so it's just so big. And then because many of the others was using motorcycle to go to the restaurant, and so the coordinator said that the book fair it's not canceled, but it changed the name to like dinner. But because I was already on the way, so we arrived at the restaurant, just the three of us. And when the Maghrib comes, there were only three of us, while the other table had like so many people. It was actually kind of upsetting, but yeah, that's fine because we could still eat the menu. And the second story, it's not actually a story, but in something that I find interesting. It's a food that was served in my grandmother's house from my mother's side, which is an ampal. We usually see ampal. Ampal usually contains like meat or other stuff from the cow, from the, what do you call it, jeroan?
Yes.
But in my grandma's house, it's actually from a cow tongue.
A tongue? Oh, okay. Okay.
The texture is actually pretty not chewy, but yeah, it's still not too chewy and not too hard. So it's actually okay. And my grandmas usually make cow liver for me.
Okay.
I think that's all from me.
That's all?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Ma'am. Ada lagi cowoknya nggak? Shit, Revaldi belum? Revaldi ada nggak?
Revaldi udah, Miss.
Oh iya, benar. Topik. Udah ya cowoknya, nggak ada lagi ya?
Udah semua kayaknya, Miss.
Oke, berarti Aprilian. Halo, Aprilian?
Iya, Miss.
Boleh yang book summary-nya sekarang diinin?
Mas, sebenarnya masih ini, Miss, ada yang harus diubah-ubah lagi, Miss. Maaf, Miss, tapi kayaknya nggak bisa sekarang, Miss. Ada yang mau diubah-ubah lagi, boleh, Miss?
Boleh, tapi kapan?
Kalau misalkan udah yang perempuannya, boleh nggak, Miss?
Oh, nanti.
Ya, jadi paling terakhir aja gitu, Miss.
Oke, nggak apa-apa. Oke, berarti kita ke ini dulu aja ya. Ke summary dulu, ke story dulu lah ya. Cewek-ceweknya sekarang get ready girls. Ada yang mau volunteer pertama? Ada yang mau volunteer? Cewek pertama? Desti, boleh. Desti, you're the first one. Desti, are you there?
I'm here, Miss.
Okay, Desti. Are you ready to share your stories, Desti?
I'm ready.
Okay, the mic is yours.
Thank you, Miss. Maybe first, let me introduce myself. My
My name is Desti Betriani. I want to share a bad and good experience at it. Maybe first I will tell a bad experience. I had a sore throat when it. Miss, maaf berisik, Miss.
Nggak apa-apa. Ayo, semangat. Nggak apa-apa. Desi, ayo. Halo?
Oke. I'm sorry,
Boleh.
Miss.
Udah dimarah-marahin, udah. Diam gitu.
Emang gitu, Miss.
Oke, I feel that. Desi, tenang aja.
Okay, I'll continue my story. I had a sore throat when and I couldn't speak. When I want to talk to my family, I had to pat them on the shoulders because if I didn't do it, I would not be heard. Actually, it was very sad because, but I know it was my fault. It's because a few days before I broke the fast with my big family. At the time, there
What
was
did you eat?
soda and fried food. It's very greasy, like minyak oily gitu, Miss.
Yeah, I sudah kuduga. Okay.
Then I ate and drank it. Even after eating, I didn't drink water. I'm just drink soda. But by the time I was in trouble because in the next day I get pain in my throat and I decide to drink a lot, but it's too late. My voice is gone. I lost my voice. It's actually bothered me a lot because I had so much difficulty to talking to my family. Even I use sign language to speak, it's so hard. It's like when I want to describe myself, I should put my hand on my chest. Like it's so hard. But in addition, this year my grandmother is dead, so we gathered in my house. But I'm still happy because all of my family gathered at my home because my mother is first child. There are mom's sister, mom's brother, and of course their family. And we spend until the night together. It's so fun. It's so funny. In the next day, I went to my father's hometown in Batu Jajar. There, I to pray to the graves of my grandfathers and grandmothers from my father. But I'm still sick. My pain is getting worse, but it's still funny.
Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Desti. What the best story. Next siapa? Desti siapa? Siti. Hi, Siti.
Hi, Miss.
Hi, Siti. How are you, Siti?
I'm fine, Miss. How about you, Miss?
Very well. So, Siti, are you ready to share your stories?
I'm ready, Miss.
Okay, the mic is yours.
Thank you, Miss. Okay, and the story of Eid al-Fitr is I don't go on vacation anywhere because it will be very busy and I finally decided to postpone my vacation. So I think this is very different. Moreover, a lot of my cousins are getting married, and when the family gets together, an annual family photoshoot is very quiet. This Eid holiday, what I did was cooking rabuki, tteokbokki, jjajangmyeon, bibimbap, and finishing at food such
Korean
as
party.
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
And finishing at food such as ketupat, chicken opor, rendang, and others. And basically, I spent time with my mother at home, talking about how far I went to college, what achievements I want to achieve, talking about what are not to take English lesson, and Alhamdulillah, I'm so grateful that this year at Al Fitr, I have had a lot of time with my mother. And lastly, to my surprise is I still get a higher nominal THR. Thank you, Miss.
That is the best part of Lebaran. Ya, THR. Aki Siti Nurhaliza, thank you so much.
Okay, Miss.
Ada
thank
lagi?
you. Enough, Miss.
Yang mau Siti boleh?
I choose Arini, Miss. Just
Arini.
waiting, Miss.
Okay, Arini, are you there?
Bentar. Mulai aja ya, Miss.
Okay, please.
Okay, hello, good morning everyone. I hope you are all in a good condition today. So today, I don't want to share a story about Eid Mubarak because nothing special at the moment. So I want to share my experience when I'm watching Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness movie. In Garut, there is only one cinema. And as you know, if there is a movie that is booming, there will be a lot of people who want to watch it. Even before the film was shown, the ticket has already sold out, and it's very hard to get the ticket. So, yesterday, at first I was going to watch the movie with my friends at 1 o'clock, but it's turned out I have class at 3 o'clock, which if I watch it, I can watch it until finish the film. And I decide to watch it at 12 o'clock alone because my friend were no longer interested in watching Doctor Strange. And I was so lucky. I got the ticket yesterday, and that time I'm free because there is no class. And it feels awkward because on my left there is person who is dating, and on my right there is also a man who watching a movie alone. And in the middle of the film, I was surprised because suddenly Wanda was standing behind America, and I'm reflex cover my face, and the person sitting next to me laughed at me. I was so embarrassed because I watched the film alone. And when the film finished, yeah, I immediately left the cinema. And after that, I decided to go to the coffee shop to order my favorite coffee and continue the class there. And beside class at the coffee shop, I also do a gambar system process assignment. And it's turned out to be very tired because I had been sitting from morning to evening. And after my job was done, my brother picked me up. And when I got home, I kept sitting until the midnight because I had to make a proposal for an event at a himpunan. So that's all from me, and thank you.
Thank you, Arini.
Yes, Miss.
You know, orang yang confident itu, yang bisa dilihat orang confident itu adalah orang yang nonton teater sendirian atau makan sendirian. Semangat Arini.
Iya, Miss, malu banget kemarin.
Tapi nggak apa-apa, belajar jadi pede.
Iya.
Oke, thank you so much Arini. Next Arini, boleh dipilih satu?
Alifah, Miss.
Alifah.
Yes, Miss.
How are you, Alifah?
I'm fine, Miss. How about you?
I'm doing well. So, Alifah, are you ready to study now?
Yes, Miss. I'm
Okay,
ready. Okay. Hello, everyone. When this year's Eid holiday, I took a vacation when it was time for college. My family decided to take a vacation when the back and forth came, and some of my family went to Bogor to be praised to one of the housing estates in Gunung Putri. As usual, my family will eat around this Bogor area. One of them buys pickled vegetable. It tastes sour and refreshing. My family favorite menu is not far from typical Sundanese food. Uh, The food we often eat in Bandung, we also try it in Bogor. For example, eating meatballs and chicken noodles. Towards evening, my family decided to barbecue. There is chicken, beef, and other Korean specials. We enjoy the activities that right. From older to small children will participate in this barbecue with pleasure. Then at 10 p.m., me, Baba, Mama, and sister and some other family came to my house, which is in Cibubur. We there decided to go straight to bed and we'll go home tomorrow in the morning. When every family vacation, we prefer to visit one area to another and enjoy culinary delights from local snacks. So far, this vacation, it is now to make me happy about this family togetherness. Because for me, vacation is anywhere and anytime, as long as you feel comfortable and warm in every family togetherness. This is now to feel my vacation. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Alfa. Next,
Itu
Widya.
Miss Widya.
Oke, Widya udah gitu Besti ya. Wid, how are you, Wid?
Good, Miss.
Okay, are you ready, Wid?
Yes. So, hello everyone and good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Today I want to share my Eid Mubarak holiday. So, Idul Fitri is a very important Islamic celebration in my country. It's my favorite time of year. It happened at the end of Ramadan. Muslim people dress in their best clothes and put lights and decoration on their homes. Many streets have fair with music, dancing, fireworks, and kids game. I was a little late with my sister. I thought we were but late. It turned out that there was someone else, and that person came because it was too late. She chose to go home because she had to cook, and me and my sister were confused, and we were not inside the mosque, but outside the mosque because it was already very full. So my sister asked me to take a picture to be uploaded on my sister Instagram, and I was a bit embarrassed to be seen by many people until finally someone else came home. We just went inside and the lecturer already want to finish halal bihalal. We just went home and changed clothes. After changing clothes, I was told to go home Auntie Lina, my father's sister, because there are many cousins and family at her home. Then we wait for others family members. I stay at home Uncle Lina, Auntie Lina. After eating, we talk jokingly. Then, because it came too late, I had to come to my father-in-law, his house, and I sleep with the others in the afternoon. Then I woke up. It was other family already came. Then they give me money and we call it THR.
The best part.
Yes.
Okay.
The miss.
Finish? Okay. Thank you, Wid. What a great stories. Bestie, are you now ready?
Ready, Miss.
Okay, Bestie, the mic is yours.
Thank you. Hello, guys. I want to share about my holiday experience to you guys. Actually, I think there is nothing really special with my holiday. Unlike my other friends, I just stay at home while they enjoyed their holiday by going to the beach, for example, to the villa, or going to their grandma or grandpa's house in the countryside. But I think I also happy for just look at them posting about their happiness while enjoying their vacation on Instagram. Even until now, I haven't met my friends at all. because I really just want to spend my holiday with my family and want to enjoy my me time by doing whatever I want. For the example is that I watch so many K dramas that I couldn't watch it before because I have no time for that. But I think I realized that I don't think that I really have no time for that because before holiday I just prefer to go to sleep than watch K dramas at night. Not only watch K dramas, I really like to check my e-commerce apps like Shopee because I'm so lazy to go to any places for shopping. I prefer to just scrolling down the apps to search anything that I needed, and after that, I can just wait for my package to arrive. I have my reason about why I just chose to enjoy my holiday in home with my family. Even when my family were offered me to go to somewhere, I still refuse. The reason is because all this time I have a lot of business that makes me have to stay in my boarding house in a long time. Even when my mom is celebrating her birthday last April, I'm so sad that I wasn't there for her. So now I just want to cherish the moment with my family in my home. So that's all for my story. Thank you.
So you really family time in 2 weeks?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Oke, Besti, thank you. Next, siapa?
Lanjut Dewi.
Dewi, hi Dewi.
Hello, Miss.
How are you, Dewi?
I'm fine, Miss.
Okay, Dewi, are you ready to share your stories now, please? You can
Yes.
start now.
So I want to share about my holidays. Me and my bigger family went to the beach in West Java, which is famous. That is Batu Karas Beach. So I went from Padalarang to Pangandaran at night. And the road was not crowded, and the journey was smooth. Arrived at the beach at sunrise, and the beach view in the morning was very beautiful. After enjoying the sunrise, my family and I went on the banana boat ride. Maybe all of you are familiar with banana boat at the beach. So when I was on the boat, I feel very happy, but I'm also very scared because it was drowned in the middle of the sea. Me and my team scream salawat while on the boat like Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad, asyhadu an la. Actually, that's so funny. After enjoying on the beach, we went to Chitumang to do a body rafting adventure. To go on a rafting location, we should walking as far as 2 kilometers. When I arrived at the rafting location, I saw a very beautiful view. Seriously, the view is very beautiful, like in heaven in the world. There's that is a tour guide who directs our adventure. Um, after rafting, we go to the hotel to rest. When I arrived at the hotel, I was surprised because my room had a very beautiful view. The view was facing the beach, and I'm so happy. Cukup, Miss.
Hebat ya Dewi ke Pangandaran. Nggak macet, Del?
Guys.
Alhamdulillah ya. Okay, that's very nice. Dewi, next siapa? Ada lagi? Cuci mata ya, Dewi ya?
Siapa? Eli.
Boleh siapa? Yang cowok boleh live ya kalau misalnya apa namanya? Mau prepare buat Jumatan boleh ya. Live dulu aja.
Okay, Miss. Thank you.
Bye, Ilyas. Bye, cowok-cowok.
Thank you very much, Miss.
Okay, please.
Aku izin ya, Miss.
Bye.
Izin,
Anya.
please.
Yes, please. Bye.
Assalamualaikum, dadah.
Waalaikumsalam. Bye-bye. Anya. Hi, Anya.
Hi, Miss.
Hi,
How
Anya.
are you?
Anya.
What?
How are you,
Pardon?
Anya?
Oh, I'm pretty good and kind of hectic nowadays.
Happy? Tenang.
Yes.
Take a deep breath. Okay, Nya, are you ready? Tell your stories about your hectic day. Oh no, hectic day. Actually, hectic holiday day.
Well, actually, during my vacation, I didn't travel far like other friends because I just walk around Bandung and its surroundings. And in the first week of vacation, no vacation, I mean the weekend, I did a takjil distribution that held by my organization in Sosma department in HMJTK and collab with Rico's organization actually. We distribute takjil in the area around Polban to homeless people, parking attendants, and the people we met on the street before breaking the fast. So it was an unforgettable experience because we could share the benefits and happiness with others. And it's such a good memory for me. And beside that, I also tried to join the national article competition that held by Society of Renewable Energy at Brawijaya University and UNDP. So basically, the article competition was held online, so I was able to work on and submit the articles at online. The theme that I raised in this article is about green jobs in Indonesia. So the content is about jobs in Indonesia that support environmental sustainability in the future. But because I have a limited time to do it, so I'm not maximal in making it. But yes, at least I tried, and I can get the new knowledge while studying the reference that support the theme. And actually, the winner has not been announced yet until today because there's a timeline. Maybe next week. I don't know. You may be apart from participating in competitions. I also participate in other organizational activities such as designing Instagram feeds, revising terms of reference, attending meetings, and others. Well, even though I have done my homework earlier during the holidays, there are still many organizational tasks, and it's okay. I a type of person that who forgive easily, and I forgive all the tasks that have been given to me during the holidays. So apart from studying or anything that related to coursework or organizational assignments, I watch Doctor Strange Multiverse of Madness. And of course, I'm not alone like Arini because I'm not brave. And I'm with my boyfriend because we have the same hobby, which is to share theories about Marvel. And it is one of my healing methods in holiday. And then I also went to my cousin's house to say sorry physically and mentally like other friends. And I also get the HR and food at my cousin's house. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Wow, Anya, you got also the best part of Lebaran, THR.
Yeah, of course. Yes, one of my cousins. Yes.
Thank you, Anya, for your stories. Great story, hectic stories actually, but I hope you enjoy. Please, I mean, you are still young. You have much energy. Smart. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Miss. Maybe I choose one person.
Yes, please.
Fania, Miss.
Fania.
Halo, Miss.
Hi, Fania, Khalida.
Yes, Miss.
How are you?
I'm well, Miss. Good. How about you, Miss?
That's great. I'm also stay healthy and smart. Kan ya? Kania. Khalida sama Fania jadi Kania. Fania, would you please to start it now?
Okay.
Please.
So, at the time in Lebaran, there is actually nothing interesting, and just as usual, like I went to my hometown in Central Java and make silaturahmi, halal bihalal with my neighbors, my close family, eat chicken opor, and prayer it. What's different is maybe my family has a new house in there in Central Java, so I don't live at my grandma's house, and I feel lonely because usually at my grandma's house, there are many cousins in there and a lot of commotion. On the Eid Lebaran, there is usually takbiran around the street near my grandma's house in the night. But even though I saw it now, it's not like it used to be because it's not much as usual. Because maybe during the day it was raining heavily, so they didn't prepare to the maximum. What happened to me was quite interesting, I think. When I was fasting in there in Central Java, my sister and I were told by mom to buy dawet to break the fast, but it turned out that at the time azan was about to come, and so when azan come, we ate dawet in the middle of the road, and it was finished. And we don't buy again because we don't have enough money. So when we go home, we bring nothing. And I think that's it, Miss.
Aduh, sorry ini ke Fania. Thank you for your story, Fania. Boleh
Yes.
pilih satu, Fania?
I choose Miss. Eliza, Miss.
Eliza, hi Eliza.
Hello, Miss.
How are you, Eliza?
I'm fine, Miss.
Okay, Eliza.
Okay, so I will to tell about my holiday experience. After approximately 2 years of not getting together during Eid because the pandemic, finally last Eid we were able to gather at grandma house. Even families from Pontianak were present too. We didn't do many activities, just playing games, talking, cooking, and exchanging local souvenir. But there was a funny incident when my sister and I came home from grandma house. We got a souvenir from Pontianak, namely aloe vera candy. But on the way home, my sister didn't realize that the bag of candy had fallen on the road. So only realized the bag fell in the middle of the trip.